Alright, our next one is going to be the Elite first off the line football. So we're looking for the 2 autos, 1 mem. I think the first off the line exclusive is the black and gold auto. I think there's like a numbered card too, I think. First off the line numbered card, I think was the other thing, maybe. Guess we'll find out as we go. I think I think there's an emerald number to 10 was the first off the line, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
So many boxes, I can't keep up.
Gee, these packs, they don't open for me, man.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but the pack is currently winning this battle.
Alright, Kid Reporter. I don't know why I did that. Oh, we got Drew look.
Good thing you guys can't see his hands right now.
Oh.
Oh, we got a Chase Young rookie elitist insert. Bam.
And Minshew. And a couple Drew Breeses. Or Drew Brees.
No numbers?
No numbers.
No numbers.
Not that time.
He likes this strategy where he just picks random packs. I go straight from the front.
It worked for me last time.
And as you see, I hit 3 Zions. He hit 0 Zions. So,
alright, I'll use your strategy. See what happens. Good luck.
Let's see whose strategy continues throughout this process. Derek Carr. Tyrann Mathieu. And we got another rookie elitist, Mr. Okuda.
Nice.
My boy Russ. Gotta take care of my boy Russ. And a Dak.
Prescott?
And nothing.
Kid Reporter?
Kid Reporter. I don't know what he's reporting on.
Alright.
Those are pretty nice little inserts.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. Kind of raised a little bit, embossed.
Sam Darnold. Adam Thielen, got a playmaker. Marshall Falk. Got some Barkley.
Playmakers insert. Mr. Falk. This one's kind of raised too. I don't know if you guys could see that kind of pressed into the. It's pretty cool. Playmakers. No numbers.
Base, yeah.
No numbers.
No numbers.
No rookies.
No rookies on that one. No.
No numbers. No rookies.
Sam Darnold is going to turn New York around. First Saquon. Is it Saquon? Saquon?
What is Saquon?
Saquon's about right.
Khalil Mack. Mark Ingram. Aaron Jones. Star status. Numbered to 99. Nice. Star status red. Here we go. Mr. Sherman. Miss you in Seattle, buddy.
Yeah, big time.
And Amendola.
Alright. Oh, I beat the crap out of that pack. Here we go. Josh Jacobs. Hope he has a great year. Look at that guy. Ooh. Hate this guy. How on fantasy.
Oh, Juju. The 2000 throwback elite Juju. Is that a gold? Nope. Not a number. Not numbered. Just team colors. That threw me off. Looked like gold right there. I thought we hit something big.
Rest for base.
It's a nice one.
Gracias. Get it tomorrow.
Good thing my hands were in the way. They didn't see that. I like the Kid Reporter because then you don't see that last card till the very end. Keeps it a secret. Oh, there we go, Mr. McCaffrey. Oh, we got a backwards. We got ourselves a backwards. Save that till the... Hey, don't peek, no peeking. Save that. Mr. Mayfield. Michael Thomas. Kid Reporter. We'll save that till the end. Keep it a secret. I don't want to accidentally reveal that one. Go ahead.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Yes.
What is it?
I don't know. We're going to save it because I don't want it to be the black and gold so soon, if it is.
Can we tell? I mean, it's not thick or anything.
No, it's not.
All right.
It's backwards, though. It's a Raiders.
Mike Evans. Got a backwards cut. Oh, Devin Singletary. Okay. So I flip it over to do that? How do you do the reveal? It's definitely different.
That's the one that you want to... we already know who it is because you already...
Devin Cook. Wait, no. Wait, they're both. This one's out of 10.
Oh, here we go. We're protecting this one.
Out of...
Oh, there we go. We got a Dalvin Cook gold out of 10.
Nice.
And then we got ourselves a AJ Terrell rookie card. Numbered to $7.99. Just a base rookie card. Bam. I'm not gonna lie, that Dalvin Cook gold looks really nice with the jersey because the purple and the gold, and the purple and gold, I'll tell you what, that's a pretty sharp card. Alright.
Here's a nice looking card.
Right?
Yeah, you're right. That looks clean. That's pretty.
Oh, I don't have the Kid Reporter protecting me. So we saw we got
You don't get a chance to win?
Oh, got another one backwards. Got Kelsey. Got a backwards card. Zeke. You got Zeke to $3.99.
Nice.
Zeke to $3.99. Not bad. DJ Chark and Devontae Parker. That's the one we saw.
You saving us?
Is that one auto?
Hey!
Is it auto?
Yeah, good card.
Is that one autoed?
No, great card too.
So this one is not numbered, so we're going to show it. He's confirmed not numbered. Number 34 out of OU. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers of Los Angeles.
I got high hopes for him. I need him.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Boom! Numbered rookie card number $7.99. All right. So the other one is is auto though.
Auto, yeah.
All right. So we'll
open it.
Nope. We'll
You're
save it.
Okay.
We're gonna save it.
Okay.
Save it to the end.
Oh, no Kid Reporter this time. It means we got some. Hopefully, got some in here.
Don't screw it up this time there.
I need to like get in the house. Oh, we got Lamar. Oh, TJ Watt. That just happened. Look at that card.
Oh, we got a die cut out of 24 aspirations. 22 of 24, Mr. Watt. Mr. Watt. That's pretty sweet. That's a nice die cut. And then our boy, Mr. MVP. Why couldn't you have been the die cut out of 24?
Right? I mean, I'll take it. Your defense, but I don't get it. Money's in the offense. Todd Gurley's just hanging out.
Todd Gurley in
getting a lot of FaceTime right now.
In the Falcons jersey too. His
he
first
looks good like that.
His first Falcons jersey.
Looks good.
We got Deshaun Watson. Kenyon Drake in his Cardinals jersey. First time in the Cardinal jersey.
Who did he play for before?
The Dolphins.
Okay.
And then we got one of the Elite deck Amari Cooper. Look at that. That's shiny.
Look at the back.
Bam.
It's clean.
Oh!
Did you see it?
Got crazy there. I'm going to have to move that out of the way. And then we finish with the Marlon Mack and the Aaron Donald. I have to slide this a little more out of the way. Keeps getting in the way.
Alright, here we go.
We need to hit like a Burrow or
we
two.
We need 2 autos. Like we get 2 autos in this box?
Yeah, 2 autos.
And we got 1.
We got 1 so far. And a mem card still hasn't been. We still haven't hit the memorabilia card yet.
Oh,
either.
Jamal Williams, new Adams, new hot. I got a card here signed. Mark Andrews.
He's struggling. It's my first time, folks.
There we go. Julio Jones will sit on that one. We got Hawks sitting on the autos.
We got Falcons guarding the autos.
I didn't see what that was at all. So. Messing it up, folks.
We got Miles Sanders, Stephon Gilmore. We got a dual threats, Derrick Henry. Got him throwing the football, huh? Little jump pass there. Hey, numbered out of 349. Derrick Henry with the jump pass. It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
My boy Chris Carson.
I love Chris.
And another Amari Cooper.
Okay, here we go. Still looking for...
looking for another... Yeah, I still got a memorabilia card. Still looking for Joe Burrow rookie card. Tua rookie card.
Good Burrows were selling that boy.
A Herbert.
Alright, Kids Reporters in this one. Hunter Renfrow. Oh, okay. I'll take the...
Hey, there we go. We got another one. Tre'Davious White Elite deck. Not bad. Those are pretty cool cards.
Mm-hmm. He's a running back, right?
I have no idea. No, I thought Singletary was the running back.
Mm-hmm.
He's wearing number 27. He's got to be a running back, right?
Yeah, looks like a running back number.
Looks like a running back the way he's posing there.
Does it look like it?
Nothing thick, so. Von Miller. Might have a... We got a red one, though. We got a red one. Who could it be? Is it our boy Joe? Nope, it's a Falcon. It's Matty Ice.
Nice.
Patrick Mahomes, by the way. Spinning him around. We got Matt Ryan at a 49. It's pretty cool. I don't know what insert that is. Maybe just the orange.
Nice little card.
Matt Ryan with the disco ball look. We got Odell Beckham and the Goodwin.
That's nice. Okay.
Should probably sleeve up Patty, huh?
Got a feel. Yeah, I was going to, but you put it in that stack.
No, you don't want to sleeve up Michael Thomas, huh?
Teddy Bridgewater, are you still playing? Oh, that's right.
Dude, he's starting.
Okay, I got an upside down card coming up.
Where did he end up? I can't
I
remember.
don't know how to do this. So this is, I got a bunch of upside down cards. I'm just gonna upside down.
I think you're just upside down.
Oh, wait, there's something here. I don't know what that is. There's something here. We'll save it.
You said I got an auto.
Oh, I got
And
something here.
I know that's an. I saw that one's an auto,
there.
so that's just what it is. Just look at it. It's not an auto.
Just look.
Yeah, it's not an auto.
Okay, it's a Zach Moss.
Oh, hey. We got ourselves the throwback 2000 Donruss Elite Zach Moss rookie card. Followed up, we got a Jalen Johnson rookie card. 2 Utes. Back-to-back Utes. I really like these throwback cards. Those are looking really nice. Like that. Even in the cursive. Some people might not be able to read the cursive these days, you know.
I don't know how they're going to sign their own names.
Dude, they don't. These autographs of these young kids look horrible.
Right? That's a, you just printed it. That doesn't count.
They're not even signatures. They're just the first and last letter. They're initialing cards now, calling them autos.
So this is good enough, right? Nice. Luck, dude.
We got Stidham. Everybody thought he was going to be the man, and then they went and got Cam.
He's probably like shit.
JJ.
Yeah.
Mr. Goff. We got Full Throttle Derrick Henry. Apparently on one play he ran 21.27 miles per hour. That's pretty quick. Numbered to 349.
Oop.
And Evan Ingram. And Stidham.
I like doing these cards like this.
The Elite?
Yeah, just because there's so many, you know, and it's like, it's fun.
Yeah. This Elite, both in the basketball and football, has been a really nice product. Like, I've been happy with what Elite's put out.
Bent corners.
Uh-oh.
Philip Rivers in his Colts uniform, that's new.
Because you're over there wrestling the pack open. Hey, we got another Zach Moss in the Elite deck.
We got Camara.
A rookie on deck. There we go. Apparently Utah likes Washington State.
That's about it.
So we got 3 packs to go. Looks like, yeah, 3 packs to 2 left plus the one I got. And we haven't hit the memorabilia card yet, so that means it's got to still be in there somewhere. Because this doesn't feel thick enough to have a memory.
I don't know if this is an auto, Dave.
It is, I saw it.
Okay. You know who it is?
No.
Oh, okay.
It is the black and gold, though.
I know. I think yours might be. No, it is this one. I think I just saw it on
Mitchell Trubisky. Marquise Brown, Hollywood. We got another gold. I think it's a gold. Anthony McFarland Jr. Rookie Pittsburgh. Numbered to 399. I think it's the red aspirations ed It looked gold because it's the Steelers. Zeke and Josh Allen.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Alright, I'm taking the backpack.
He looks like he's scared.
Right? Like, don't hit me. Don't hit me. I was like, Panini, could you come up with a better picture for me? That's all.
Like, that's a big guy coming at me.
Alright, here we go.
Come on. Give us
Aaron
one
Jones
Joe.
in the back.
Give us one Joe Burrow.
DeAndre Hopkins. Christian Kirk.
One Tua.
Lamar, 4 out of 8.
Whoa, we got a jersey number. Status Lamar Jackson, 4 out of 8. 8. Jersey number is 8. That's how the status works. Based off their jersey number. That's filthy.
It's a good pull.
Yes, sirree.
And we got one more.
Alright, we got one pack left. And then the reveals. And this one does feel slightly thicker than the other ones.
Good luck.
It is the mem pack. The mem.
You know what? I picked the pack behind the one that you got. So
yep, see?
Should just go front and center from here on out.
I've been trying to tell them the whole time, just go from the front. He likes to get tricky.
Here goes our Burrows. Let's go. Or anyone else.
Wouldn't that be nice? We got Le'Veon Bell. We got Leighton Vander Esch. Who knows if he'll come back from his neck injury. Danny Dimes. One season too late. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? It's upside down. It's upside down.
That's a great card.
Here we
great
go.
Card. Oh my God.
LJ. LJ.
That's a great
Lamar
card.
Jackson.
Sorry, I blew it for you. I had to.
Boom. Spark plugs.
Nice.
Lamar Jackson.
Great card.
Just straight purple patch. Not bad.
I think any mem with him is
Mr. MVP.
great card. I mean, if we got mem, that's who we wanted.
Yep. If it wasn't a rookie, obviously.
Yeah, that would be way better.
All right.
Want me to go first?
Who's gonna go first?
I'll
Who's
go
gonna
first.
go
I'll
first?
I already know what yours is. So. I don't know how to open it. How do I?
You just.
What do you do? I don't want to ruin it.
You just gotta.
Where's the big reveal? Oh, you go like this, right?
Yeah, you just
With
gotta
the-
slide it down.
It's a rookie card. Let's go this
Yeah,
way.
go.
The rookie. PB38. LA Rams. Van Jefferson.
Oh, we got Mr. Van Jefferson for the black and gold auto. Pen Pals. Van Jefferson. I believe he's a wide receiver. This is a super thin card, by the way.
Yeah, it is. Looks skinny
Like, this
than the other
feels
ones.
thinner than all of the other cards. It's a very delicate card.
Delicate. Melts away in my hands.
So here we go. This was the other auto. TC HR in a Bama jersey. This must be our boy Henry Ruggs, the third one
Look at it.
with that name.
Look, it's numbered.
Oh dang!
Right.
And it's a orange parallel numbered to 25. Why did he sign so tiny though? I mean, look how small that is.
Look how we criticize these guys. Like Zod just you know, Zod just does nothing on his, but
That is such a tiny auto. But that is a really nice card. Turn of the century. Henry Ruggs, the third kind. Orange to 25. There you go, Raiders. It's a beauty. Alright, there you have it. That is the Elite first off the line.